Get out of here, butterfly. I know, over here they are too. I know, mine too. They're so pretty. They look like grapes.
Yeah, don't pick them though.
I know. I'm just out of touching them. Oh.
Oh, good.
I see you got a couple racers around your house.
Aww.
You got a couple racers around your house?
Another dead bird.
Rocky, you need to spill.
Oh my gosh. Just can I show you where I buried? I need to dad. Dad? Oh, that's right. Dad? There's another dead bird.
Another dead bird.
I'm making a video, by the way. I'm gonna go bury that bird.
Here, let me do it, Audrey.
I'll dig the hole. Cause I always dig the hole. Dead bird. There's another dead bird graves right there. Video too.
Are you making a video of you burying an animal?
No. Dig it. This is the other bird that died right here. It looks like a little baby bird. It was right here. There's so much beetles and like bugs over here. No, sis, we're burying it over here.
We always bury stuff over there.
No, I like burying them over here. Because that's where I've always buried my other one. That I got. See? This is the other bird that died. You can see its little feathers. I wanted this little feather sticking out so everybody knows that there's dead thing. See that little feather? It looks like a baby bird.
I don't think we're going to be able to bury it.
Yeah, we can.
Too
No.
many rocks.
No. I made a
Well,
small.
we have to bury it enough so
No.
the dog doesn't dig it back up.
No, the dog won't. The dog won't. The dog doesn't dig.
Yeah, he does.
No, he
His brain
doesn't.
is meant for digging.
No, he doesn't dig. I never even seen him dig. I never.
Good enough.
What? Can I pick up the bird?
No.
No, for real.
With your hands, no.
I know, and same with the shovel, because I did it.
Well, you you're holding a tablet, aren't you?
I can, sis, I can hold it like this. No. I can hold it like this. Sis, I can hold it like this.
I don't
So,
know how well it's going to stay on if I windy it.
I don't care. Oh, my little. How does Lucky even get these little birds? Oh, poor birdie. Ah, no. Oh, see this little dead bird.
Hello, grave.
Look at the dead birdie. Sis, look at the wing. The wing is right there. It's a wing. I didn't even touch it. So I'm gonna cover that back up. I'm gonna cover that up. Put the flowers. I always pick these flowers to put them, but I have to have something to hold them down. I only pick 2 flowers. I said what? Okay. We found tons of stuff dead.
That's the cow's ball I was talking about. Wash your hands.
No, I didn't even pick it up.
You're dealing with the dead bird. Wash your
No, I just picked it up with a shovel, sis. Just saying wash my hand whenever I actually picked it up with a shovel. Do not get in front of this camera, okay? I'll bring the stuff to you that you need. Chloe, please turn this on.